Alright guys, welcome back to Inside the Mind episode 2. Today, NASDAQ price action was super choppy, so I'm trading gold and I just took this entry. I'm playing towards the 845 data highs that I have outlined with my take profit. I put my take profit slightly under it just so I don't get like wicked and then we retrace, so things like that. But right here, I also have my stop loss like very tight under this fair value gap that we're currently accumulating in. And I kind of want to see speed. We did sweep out this other relative equal high. And I'm definitely a little bit skeptical that we may like trade lower just because we may want to, stop out a few traders before we actually accelerate towards that data high. But for now, I'm just holding. For now, I'm just allowing the market to do its thing. And yeah. Okay, this candle. I'm going to adjust my stop loss real quick. That low looks nice, but I think I'll just leave it. I wanted to put it under that swing low, right under where my stop loss is right now, but honestly, I think I'll just keep it where it's at. I feel like I don't want to take too much of a loss. I already had a pretty negative Asia session, but I was able to recover it. So I was down 300 in the Asia session, but if this trade hits, then obviously I'll be green on the day, and it's a nice one. I don't really take many trades on gold, but right here I'm just hoping. I don't want to get stopped out. Yeah, honestly, like asking for it to go to the data highs right now, like it feels like I'm just about to get stopped, but we're just waiting. That's a crazy candle, to be honest. I don't know. I feel like, okay, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Come on. Like, I feel like if it wants to stop me out, like, just do it now and then hit the target later, I don't want to sound negative, but, I've been seeing too much of that in the last 2 trading days, so I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Acceleration here. I want it to trade above the little swing high to our left and then finally above that intermediate term high before it reaches the data highs. I don't want it to go to the high. I don't really care if it goes to the high of the entire range. But honestly, like this accumulation inside of this fair value gap right now is like very nice. Like it's exactly what I want to see in a buy program. Also a little bit sick, so just excuse all the background grunts, coughs, sneezes, whatever. Somehow this trade is green, somehow. But yeah, we're holding through, we're waiting. I don't trade gold often, so if this trade hits, then it's a nice little refreshment from NASDAQ, and I might start paying attention to gold, honestly, because I was looking at the reversal even before I took this trade, and I only came to gold to take the trade just because I saw like something that's like valid that I would probably take on NASDAQ. I'm looking for any opportunity to move my stop loss or break even. I don't want to even take any more losses, to be honest, now that this trade is in profit. I like the acceleration above the highs right here to our left, and I want more, I want to see more. I do want a pyramid into this entry, so if I get a little re-entry, that would be nice. By the looks of it, like that's a gap up. Like I would not re-enter that. That's crazy. Yeah. Overall going smooth though. Now that we've kind of moved away from my stop loss, like now it's time to look for an opportunity to move it to break even. So we need to break even more structure to the upside. That's just what I'm looking for. Okay, trading down immediately. That's not friendly. I do want to see the formation of a bullish fair value gap here. That would be extremely helpful. Even if it doesn't, if it doesn't, then that's pretty bad, but, we have a lot of space to leave. So, honestly, I just want to see that bullish fair value gap. Okay, bullish fair value gap formed. Wait. I kind of have to be ready to exit this position. We're displacing very fast, and honestly, I don't want to hold for too long. So, if we can, yeah, I'm gonna try and exit this position immediately. I'm not gonna take any losses on this trade because now my stop loss is in profit. Okay, yeah, I'm exiting this. This is just way too crazy. Damn. Come on. Okay, so let's quickly go over why I took this trade. Overall, the market structure on gold was just pretty bullish. Like when I looked at the chart, we had this south side sweep out, right? Like previous lows taken. We even had a manipulation leg, which was right here. And honestly, let me just do some experimentation. Draw my standard deviation from here to here. And let's just take a look. Yeah, so even like the standard deviation is like, okay, that honestly doesn't give me any exact projections, but that's just like an example of using standard deviation on the manipulation leg. But after that, like we had a little retest of this like higher time frame fair value gap, but also like a 1 minute. And I like the way we just traded up and created that data high. Once we even created that data high, we traded up once more, use this fair value gap as support, and I could see like how much accumulation we were like dealing with, you know, like there's so much accumulation in this one fair value gap where like it's kind of like a nice little long I can catch towards those data highs. And it was a very simple trade. I'm already bullish on gold, so then I just took it. I don't typically trade gold, but I'm glad this time worked out. I did some more back testing later, and there's this 5-minute order block that price actually used as support to go and trade back up again and take this high one more time. And yeah, the rest of the day was a consolidation. So I really caught like the sharpest move of the day. Could have held like 5 more minutes and caught even more. But honestly, it's about taking at least some of the move. You know, you don't have to take all of it, but you can take some of it and still be victorious. So, yeah.